Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Mailgun for automated onboarding sequences step by step clearly. To authenticate Mailgun for your automated onboarding sequences, begin by logging into your Mailgun account. Once logged in, navigate to the Domains section on the left sidebar. Click on the domain you wish to authenticate. In the Domain Details page, find the Domain Authentications section. Here, you will see instructions for adding DNS records. Open a new tab and log into your DNS provider's website. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. In the DNS settings, you will need to add the records provided by Mailgun. Start with the TXT records, copying each line from Mailgun. Return to your DNS provider and create a new TXT record for each entry. Ensure that you input the correct host and value as specified by Mailgun. Next, proceed to the name records listed in Mailgun. Create new name records in your DNS settings, entering the host and target provided. After adding all necessary DNS records, save your changes. Return to your Mailgun account and go back to the Domain Details page. In the Domain Authentication section, click the Check DNS button. This will verify that all records have been correctly added. If everything is set up correctly, you will receive a confirmation message. Once confirmed, you can now set up your automated onboarding sequences. Make sure to integrate Mailgun with your preferred automation tool. Finally, test the email sending functionality to ensure everything works seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.